Yes, right? 14,000 views. Alam niyo yun? Hola, kamusta mi amigos, mi amigas? This is once again Toni Hearts sharing your work from home ideas, first-time life experiences, travel tips, and of course, food. Last year, I created a video about how to create a professional resume which garnered 14,000 views. Yes, 14,000 views. Alam niyo, para sa isang katulad ko, napakalaking bagay nun. Imagine, 14,000 views for that particular video. So, now I decided na gumawa na another tutorial for those who are new to online business, new entrepreneurs. Ayan, kung paano kayo makakagawa ng isang marketing material for your business in just 5 minutes. Wow! Yes, hindi ka nagkakamali. As easy and as fast as 5 minutes. Alright, so wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Grab your phones now. Go to Canva. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just go to Play Store or Apple App Store. Free lang naman yan. Just type in Canva. There, Canva app. Ganito ang itsura niyan. Ayan. So, just install it to your phones kung wala pa kanya. Kung meron na, just open the app. Yun lang. Just open the app. So, kung hindi pa rin pinakaka-register sa Canva, unahin nyo muna yun. Mag-register muna kayo. Just put all your information and then i-confirm nyo sa email nyo. And then, kung meron naman kayo, just log in. Alright? Now, kung gusto nyo mag-create ng poster, you can do it. As you can see there, may mga categories na tayo like posters, Instagram posts, logos, Instagram stories, presentations, infographics, yan. Mga phone wallpapers, pwede kayo mag-create dyan. And then, yung Facebook covers, kailangan natin yan para maging presentable ang ating Facebook page. Diba? Ayan, mga collage. Ayan, kung marami kayong pictures, sa halip na i-upload nyo isa-isa, diba? Gumagawa tayo ng collage. Ayan, mga posters at marami pang iba. So, kung ang hinahanap nyo ay kung paano kayo makakagawa ng Facebook post para sa inyong business, ayan, just go to Facebook post. Ayan, hanapin nyo lang yan. And, nandyan na. Makikita nyo na napakaraming templates na pwede nyo magamit based doon sa branding nyo. Ayan, based doon sa color na gusto nyo for your business. So, if you're someone na gusto ng black and white or black, white, and gray, kung ganun kayong tipo ng tao, then this one is for you. You can just edit this one. Ayan, pwede nyo siyang baguhin, kung gusto kayong baguhin. Or pwede rin naman, kung feel nyo na tugma siya sa business nyo at wala na kayong tipong babaguhin, pwede nyo lang siyang i-download. Ayan. Pwede rin ninyong palitan yung color kung hindi nyo naman gusto yung color niya. Kung feeling nyo masyadong malamya sa paningin nyo or hindi tama sa branding nyo, pwede nyo siyang palitan ng kulay. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, itap nyo lang yung picture or yung mismong graphic and then change the color. Ayan. Nakikita nyo, just tap the box na may color, yan, yung color box, and then just scroll. Ayan, makakita na kayo ng iba-ibang kulay. Like for example, this one, okay, I'll change it for example. Ayan, tap nyo ulit. Okay, and then alright, and then pwede mo naman palitan tong Black Friday. Pwede mo siyang gawing ibang kulay din, or pwede mo siyang i-edit like palitan mo ng words, yan, kung ano mang gusto mo ilagay. Like for example, yan, kung nag-hire ka, pwede mo ding ilagay dito yung website mo. So, depende kung gaano kayo ka-creative. Ayan. Pwede nyo siyang paglaruan. Ayan, kung anong gusto nyo. Ayan. Pwede nyo rin siyang paliitin or palitan ng size. Ayan. So, ito ay nasa 26 point. Pwede natin siyang paliitin to 20 points. 19, 18, there. So, there you have it. Meron na tayong sarili nating Facebook graphics, diba? For our business. And then, just download it. Yan, makikita nyo yung download button here. Ayan, just download. Click download. Preparing your design. And then, there, makikita nyo successfully saved. Tap to view. And then, pwede nyo na siyang i-share sa Facebook feed, sa newsfeed nyo, sa TikTok. You can also share it to someone. Kung halimbawa na meron kayong friend na gusto nyo or meron kayong nag-update ng social media nyo, pwede nyo i-share sa kanila kung wala kayong time. Well, it's your business. You should have time for your business. And then, pwede nyo ilagay ito sa Instagram. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo naman gumawa ng graphics for your Instagram, just go to, meron dyang category for Instagram post. Alright, so Instagram post, yan. Yung size yung size ng graphics for Instagram, mas maliit siya kaysa sa Facebook. Konti lang naman ang diferensya. Choose one. Ayan, mas classy yung mga pang post nila dito. Yung mga templates nila dito. So, for example, this one, for example, your business is about food. So, just click it, just change it, replace it. Ayan. And then, yola. Ayan. And then, palitan mo na siya ng kahit ano na gusto mong ilagay. Ayan. Para lahat ng makakakita nito ay mapabili. Ayan, diba? So, pwede mo rin siyang i-arrange. Ayan. Just click it and then move it. Ayan. Kung gusto mo siyang i-arrange. Ayan. And then, pwede mong palitan ng, like I said a while ago, pwede mo siyang palitan ng mga wordings, kung ano gusto mo. Pwede mo siyang palitan ng size din. Ayan. Kung tingin mo yung color ay okay na sa'yo, just leave it as is. Ayan. And then, download. Alright. Download. There. Preparing to download. So, yan. Successfully saved. Tap to view if you want to view it. Or if you want to share to other devices such as your email, ayan, your Instagram, and then if you also want to share it to someone, maybe to your business partner, pwede mong gawin yun. Ayan, share to PC, meron din dyan. Even share to Lazada, WhatsApp, Skype, ayan, doon sa mga nagtatanong kung paano ba ilagay sa phone. Yan, you can do copy to file manager. Ayan, itong part na to. And then, you can also save it into your Google Drive folder para hindi mawala, para sa susunod ay ma-repost ka, diba? So, there. So, it's so easy, You don't need to have like a graphic design skill. Kasi yung ganong klase ng skill, pinag-aaralan talaga yun. At saka talagang mga professional talaga ang gumagawa nun. But if you're someone na walang experience, if you're someone na hindi ganoon ka-creative, yan, hindi ganoon ka-artistic, well, this one is for you. Yan, yung mga templates na pwede mo magamit. Just change the colors, change the font, change the size, whatever you wanna do it. Just do it, yun, for your business. Alright? So, yun nga, para sa business natin, it's like our baby. Talagang gagawin natin lahat para lang makaakit tayo ng customers, diba? Lifesaver talaga sa akin yung Canva. Kasi kapag may mga mabilisan na kailangan gawin na, halimbawa, kailangan kong gawa ng poster or itong client ko nagpapagawa ng mga banners or business cards na mabilisan, ayan, madali ako nakakagawa kasi yun nga, dahil sa mga salamat sa mga templates. Ayan, pero ngayon, talagang tinatry ko na hindi umasa sa templates kasi mas maganda pa rin yung sariling gawa. Mas maganda pa rin yung na-explore mo yung app, na-explore mo yung mga features niya, na-explore mo rin yung creativity mo, 'di ba? So hindi lang tayo aasa sa template. So there, I hope you learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell notification para sa mga bagong videos, and also share to your family and friends kung gusto mo rin na matuto sila na gumawa ng social media posts for your business. Alright, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!